Hey everybody, welcome back to another RIDIN DAD channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. Obviously, very different video. I do not have the intro available to me to run, and I don't have the outro available for me to run. The reason I am making this video in my car is really just to give you guys an update. Those of you who are, kind of religiously following the channel or have subscriber or post notifications turned on and subscribed, and you keep up or you follow up and stuff like that, probably realize that I have not posted I can take these off. I haven't posted a video in a couple weeks, and unfortunately, I will not be posting a video for the next couple months. I still have my bike. I am currently living at, thank God my mom has a house that's relatively near us and has extra bedrooms because my entire family is living at my mom's house currently. We found out that we have mold in our house, pretty substantial. We're told from the hurricane. They just didn't catch it originally for moisture and stuff like that. I'm not going to get into details and stuff, but long story short, brought an expert for the mold stuff, found out they had it, and our house is essentially a shell of a house right now. Everything we have is bagged. It's been cleaned up and put in 6mm bags, or bagged around where drywall has not been taken out, and then everything else is in boxes and stuff like that. So tomorrow I have to go get my bike out of the garage because they're starting to pile stuff in the garage and everything's getting dusty, so I need to give it a quick hose over real quick and then bring it to my mom's, who thankfully has not only space for me and the kids and the wife, but also my bike in the garage. That way I don't have to worry about anybody tipping it over or breaking it or anything like that. Over the next few weeks, we're going to have to get valuables and stuff like that we have out of the house as well, because general contractors, AC, like everybody's going to come in because the entire inside of the house is almost going to be gutted. Thankfully, our frame of the house is fine. The exterior of the house is going to have to be, most of it's going to have to be redone. We have a wood frame house, so not only the wood, but then obviously the siding has to be redone as well. A lot of the frame has to be, parts of it just have to be lightly sanded and painted over. It's like Kills brand or whatever it was. I forget what they said, but the anti-mold paint, that keeps it from getting mold in the future as well, just in case we're, spots where the drywall had a lot of mold. I would say, conservative estimate, we are retaining about 40% of our drywall in the interior of the house. So yeah, it's a mess. Anyway, long story short, we're not living there. So it's going to be thankfully we can move in before everything is done. We just have to wait till the AC is done. The outside walls are completely repaired to keep anything from getting in, and the interior mold is 100% remediated, and we pass a new air quality and physical inspection test to make sure that that's all good. So hopefully that will only take a few weeks, if not maybe a month or two. I'm hoping the whole remediation process, including like put back and everything like that, and the new construction portion of the interior and everything like that, that's probably going to take many months, if not maybe a year. Our tile floor potentially has to get completely ripped out as well. So yeah, there's a lot. So I wanted to keep you guys updated. We've been sick with the mold stuff, and then unfortunately sick with some other stuff as well. So that's part of why I didn't post for like a week or two there. But we've been living in my mom's house now for about 2 weeks. So that's why you're really not seeing, that's why this video is different. That's why this is literally just taken on my phone and uploaded directly to the app. I don't have my GoPro. I don't have my camera, stuff that I thought we were only going to be out for a few weeks and be able to go back. But the more they started to do tear out and demo work, the more mold they found, and the more had to be done, and the more has to be done. So that is why it's now not only a several week project, but a several month project. Just kind of those, you don't know how bad it is until you get in there and actually look at stuff behind the walls. So that's why I don't have anything. Not only do I not have anything, but my computer at home is a desktop. I love my computer's freaking great. My computer at home is a desktop, and I don't have any place to put a desktop, but I'm not going to bring my whole desktop over to my mom's because I don't need it for anything besides this stuff. I don't use it for anything else. So yeah, that's kind of what we got going on now. I don't know, maybe in 2 or 3 weeks, I'll do another one of these videos just to keep you guys updated, just to let you guys know. But I appreciate every one of you guys for hanging around, still staying subscribed, all that. if you want to talk to me on Instagram. I'm always there. I still have the bike. I didn't sell the bike. I sold the Sportster, but we'll talk about that in a video once I get my actual stuff done. But I still have the Lowrider S. Still got everything else I do for it. Still want to ride. I don't even have jeans to ride. I don't have my riding shoes. All I'm able to grab from the garage. Thankfully, the garage is not 100%, you know, quarantine or whatever you want to call it, off limits. So not only I'll be able to buy or bring my bike here to my mom's tomorrow, but I was able to get one helmet, thankfully my helmet that I have, so potentially be able to get a review out sooner than later on that, because I'm probably going to only be using that for the time being. And one pair of gloves. I don't have my riding shoes, I don't have jeans, I don't have my riding jackets, anything like that. So yeah, that sucks. Thankfully it's summertime, but I do still like to stay protected, so I do like to wear my riding jackets with my D3O in there, and my riding boots and stuff like that. But I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, update, there it is. There is no description in this. I mean, there's a typed description, but there's no copy pasted links and everything like that. Tucker Speed, you guys know the link, or the website at least, for Tucker Speed. RIDIN DAD coupon code gets you 10% off there. Pretty much everything they have on the site. Keep supporting them. They keep supporting us. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or whatever. You guys know the jam. Wish me and the family luck, please. I got nothing else for you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out again. Thank you guys for watching this. Hopefully this kind of clears up why you're not seeing videos. I didn't quit YouTube. It's so frustrating not being able to post good videos, like normal videos like I do. So yes, I did not quit YouTube. I have no intention of quitting YouTube. I promise I will come back as soon as I am able to in full force. But until then, these kind of videos are what you have to look forward to. So I don't know. Let me know if you want weekly updates on this kind of platform style, and maybe I'll do that every week. That way I get something at least out to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next time, guys, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.